Hi guys, so this is an unboxing of the Coach Pillow Tabby. I purchased this bag a couple weeks ago and I'm just finally getting around to doing this voiceover, but here is just me unboxing the bag. I purchased mine from Mercari. If you are not or have not heard of the app, it's basically like eBay, Poshmark, like an e-commerce website where you can sell your items. So I was able to find this bag a couple weeks ago on there for about $468, brand new, and the seller was firm on price, so I was not able to negotiate. However, I did have a 20% off coupon, so I used that, and after with taxes I paid a little over $400, which was a good price since this bag retails for about $495. So here you can just see that I'm just inspecting the bags to make sure that it is brand new as the seller stated. I've been using the bags for a couple weeks now since I've gotten it, and I really like it. It's been my go-to bag besides my Toy Lulu. This is just really easy. It fits everything. It fits my mini pochette, fits my big wallet, small wallets, and like all the extra things that I like to carry around when I'm going out.